Today in this video, we'll create the artwork of the most awaited series of all time, The Boys, on Ibispaint. And I like Billy Butcher's attitude and appearance, so let's get into it. First, open a blank background. Now I'll add Billy's jacket on it. I found it on Google, but don't worry. You can download it from my Telegram channel. Link is in description. Now adding my head on it. Erasing the extra parts from here. Now it's perfect. Merge the neck by using soft erase brush. Let me sharpen the edges a bit more. Now we'll remove this annoying text from here by drawing it darker. Do the same on the other side. Now let's create the background. I filled it with bold black color so our photo will look terrific. Now making the character more darker and draw the same skin tone on the neck to merge it with soft brush. We're going to take compound VA. So Billy's laser beam is orange, so we'll select the lighter color similar to that and draw on eyes. Now the text from back is red, so we need to create a red overlay. Create a harder light over it. Draw the lights on the jacket. Add lights on the hairs too. Now this looks great, by the way. At final, I drew lines for laser beam coming through my eyes, creating glow on that and the laser lines. Now we'll add Billy's favorite weapon, and that is a crowbar. Really? Making highlights on that too. Now drawing rim lights, so that will look like the light from the text is coming on the jacket. Important notes. Adding a rim light is very important to make your photo more realistic. Now it's time to give a final touch and details on it. Our art is ready, so if you liked my video, subscribe to it and do comment that which character you want to see on my next art. Watch another videos by me will help you improving your editing skills.